Go ahead, buddy. 1, 2, take off. There you go. Now come backwards.
I'm trying.
Trying.
It ain't coming backwards.
Go to, okay. Land it, land it, land it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got a 4DR quadcopter fighter jet. Trying to find something cheap, reliable, and under $20. You would think that'd be impossible. But this is what we found on Amazon, free shipping, $19.99. It has a built-in camera. It's supposed to do all sorts of stuff. Let's open it up and check it out real quick, and then we'll take it for a flight. In the box came 2 sets of instructions, obviously, English and Chinese. So it seems to have some pretty good detailed instructions. Let's open it up and check it out. Nice box. Looks nice. 4DRC. Okay. This is what we got. Little Chinese instructions. The awesome thing, guys, 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. A single control. One-handed control. Feels pretty good, actually. And it has control buttons here. It also has a spot, because this has a camera built into it. Here's a bracket. You put your phone in it. And then it's Wi-Fi video to your phone. You download an app from the jet, live video. And you can take pictures, from what I understand. So, that, like I said, 3 batteries. That's right there worth $19.99. 3 batteries. Here's the jet. It's a quadcopter jet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rotor, or 4 propellers. It's pretty good foam. Look at that. I don't think it's going to break very easy at all. This thing's pretty cool. Look at that. We do have a, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a built-in camera. There's small wheels. Got some wheels on it. Looks pretty sharp. Pretty nice. That's pretty neat looking. And what else we got? We got spare propellers. Tops. We have a charger. USB charger. And we have a tiny screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, tiny one. This thing looks pretty neat, guys. So, I hate when people just fly these things and have no idea what's what. And then they sit there trying to figure it out. And they say it's a bad quadcopter or whatever just because they don't know how to use it. So I'm going to try to read all the directions. And let's get this thing outside and take it for a flight.
So, about how this works, if you want to do like a 360 and stuff, you hold this down and then you
hold
tilt
what? The front button?
This.
You hold that.
Yeah, and then you tilt it. And then if you tilt this way, it'll go this way.
No, it'll turn
this way.
Circular.
And then if you want to go this way, it'll turn this way.
Okay, and how do you go higher in the air?
You hold this down.
You hold the same button down.
And then you hit the...
Tilt it back. No, you tilt it back.
Like that.
And then it'll go up in the air.
And then if you tilt it down, it'll go lower.
Okay.
And then
if you want to go left and right, forward and backwards, you just use the controller
thing. And then if you want to take off, you hit this. And if you want to do a long takeoff, we haven't figured that out yet. You hold this. And then
it'll do a rollout.
And if you don't know what to do and you're going, it's going everywhere, you
If it's out of control,
Yeah.
you hit OK and it'll shut all the power off and come down.
Yeah.
Or you quick press it again for a landing.
So.
Okay, so let's give it a try. Turn everything on.
Yep.
And let's give it a try. So for $19.99, and you get 3 batteries, guys. This thing's pretty cool. And it hooks up to your phone Wi-Fi video. One button takeoff.
Yes.
Can you do a flip with it? Let's try that again.
Did you say do another flip?
Do another flip. Nice. Now can you rotate it in a circle?
Yes.
How do you go lower? Show me lower. Lower? How about higher? Higher? Forward? Can you go down to your bedroom and turn around?
Yes, I can.
You're pretty good at that.
Yeah. All right, Jordan, come back to me.
Can it stay in one place? Turn
Kind
it
of.
around. Point it at me. That is nice. How's it work? Pretty good?
Pretty good.
I think it's pretty awesome. Under 20 bucks, 3 batteries. Did you better come down? There you go. Come on out. Nice job. Whoa. One button landing. One button landing. Great job, buddy. Till next time, guys, for under 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Well worth it. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah.